Okay, I'm sure you have a problem with your piano playing right now. Are you doing too much of this? And you want to sound more like this? Or maybe you're doing too much of this. And you want to sound more like this. Well, I'm going to tell you one thing. I'm not going to try and sell you a course telling you that you're going to do this in 10 days because it's just not going to happen. You're going to have to do some practice and it's going to take some work. Let me tell you a bit about myself and about our YouTube channel. I'm Tom Donald from the London Contemporary School of Piano. The London Contemporary School of Piano was started in 2008. We are a global piano school that has been helping people from all over the world improve their piano playing. And as a result of years and years, decades of research and development of some of the most progressive and effective methods of learning piano. We want to share our work with the world. We want you to know about what it is we're doing. Without you having to pay fees, I want you to go straight to our YouTube channel, which is packed with hours and hours and hours of content that will help your piano playing. And I guarantee it will help you more than so many courses that are out there on the market, and you don't have to spend a penny. We're so lucky to be based on Baker Street in a beautiful location with beautiful grand pianos and wonderful students, local students, international students. We love our work. We're so passionate about our work. We're passionate about modern piano education. The 21st century piano student has so many challenges that they're trying to deal with. They want to play a little bit of everything. They want to play pop music, they want to play a bit of jazz, they want to play a bit of blues, they want to play a bit of classical, they want to play a bit of everything. And we have a systematic way of helping you teach yourself, helping you understand what it is you need to be looking out for in your playing, what you need to be prioritizing, what you need to not be prioritizing. So if you want to really make a big step in your piano playing, subscribe to our channel and look at our content, study it, try our stuff, and perhaps we might do something together in the future. Perhaps we won't, and you're just going to sit at the sidelines and enjoy our stuff. I just want to share the message with you that you can make so many amazing improvements to your piano playing. There's so much low-hanging fruit, and I want to show you how to pick that low-hanging fruit and to make real big improvements with your piano playing this year. But not only that, I have another mission. I want you to feel closer to music, because I believe passionately, as a world we live in, the closer we are to music, the better everything is. And that's my contribution. That's the contribution of our team here at the London Contemporary School of Piano. We want to make the world a better place with wonderful music making and discussions about music. So click subscribe. If you haven't done it yet, do it right now. Join our channel, join our movement. Let's make some music together.